Ever watched a movie where a hacker whips out a device and instantly breaks into a network? It looks like magic. One moment, everything's secure, and the next, they're inside, uncovering secrets and bypassing digital walls. It's thrilling, but it's not just fiction. The tools and techniques you see on screen are inspired by real-world cybersecurity practices. What if I told you your Android phone could become a real-life cybersecurity lab? That you could use it to learn, experiment, and even defend yourself against digital threats. No expensive equipment required. We're not talking about illegal activity. This is about learning how networks work and how to protect yourself. Understanding the basics of cybersecurity is essential in today's world, where so much of our lives are online. Imagine testing your own Wi-Fi security, checking if your passwords are strong, or spotting vulnerabilities before someone else does. You'll be able to see your digital world from a hacker's perspective, and that's the first step to real protection. With the right tools, your phone transforms from a simple device into a powerful digital explorer's toolkit. You'll have access to utilities that professionals use every day right in your pocket. This upgrade is more than just installing an app. It's unlocking professional-grade tools used by security experts. You'll be able to run real tests, analyze networks, and understand the threats that are out there. And the best part, no risky rooting or warranty voiding required. Your device stays safe, and you keep your peace of mind. We'll use official, safe methods to bring a full penetration testing suite to your pocket. Everything is above board, using trusted sources and legitimate software. Why do this? Because understanding how things break is the first step to making them stronger. When you know the weaknesses, you can build better defenses and protect what matters most. Take control of your digital life. Empower yourself with knowledge. The more you know, the safer you'll be, and the more confident you'll feel navigating the online world. Ready? Your phone's about to get a serious upgrade. Let's unlock its full potential together and step into the world of cybersecurity. Let's clear something up. Hacking isn't always about crime or shady activities. In fact, there's a whole world of professionals who use hacking skills for good, working behind the scenes to keep our digital lives safe. These are ethical hackers, also known as white hats. They use their expertise to find and fix security flaws before the bad guys can exploit them. Their job is to think like attackers, but act as defenders. Imagine a security expert checking every door and window in a building to make sure it's locked tight. Except, in this case, the building is a computer network, and the locks are digital. Enter Kali Linux, an operating system designed specifically for cybersecurity professionals. It's packed with hundreds of powerful tools for penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, and digital forensics. Think of Kali as the Swiss Army knife of cybersecurity. It bundles everything you need in one place, from password crackers to network analyzers, making it an essential toolkit for anyone serious about security. Developed and maintained by Offensive Security, Kali has become the industry standard for security testing. It's trusted by professionals, researchers, and students all over the world. By learning Kali, you're stepping into the driver's seat with the same tools the pros use. Think of it as training in a high-performance race car, where precision and skill matter. These tools are incredibly powerful, but remember, it's your intent and ethics that truly matter. With great power comes great responsibility. Ethical hacking means using these tools to defend, not attack. It's about protecting people, data, and organizations from real threats. Installing Kali on your phone doesn't instantly make you a hacker. It makes you a student, eager to learn the art and science of cybersecurity. You're building a portable, professional-grade lab for hands-on learning, experimentation, and growth. This is your first step into a much bigger world of digital defense and discovery. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's make sure you're ready. You'll need an Android phone. Sorry, iPhone users, this won't work for you. Your device should be running Android 8.0 or newer for best compatibility. Make sure you have at least 15 to 20 GB of free storage. Kali and its tools are hefty. Check your storage and settings before starting. a stable Wi-Fi connection is a must. The downloads are big, and you don't want to burn through mobile data. Set aside an hour or two where you won't be interrupted. We'll use apps from the Play Store and F-Droid, so make sure you can access both. That's it. Android phone, storage, Wi-Fi, and some time. Gather your gear, and let's get started. Ready? Let's transform your phone. Ready to transform your smartphone into a powerful cybersecurity toolkit? It's time to install Kali Nethunter, the official Kali Linux for mobile devices, designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking right from your pocket. We'll be using the rootless edition, which means you don't need to root your device or make any risky modifications. This keeps your phone's warranty safe and your data secure, while still unlocking advanced features. First, open your browser and install F-Droid, the trusted open-source app store for Android. Once F-Droid is set up, use it to download the latest version of Termux, which is essential for running Linux commands on your phone. Launch Termux. You'll be greeted by a command line interface. Don't worry if it looks intimidating. This is your new control center for all things Linux on Android. Before we proceed, update Termux by typing pkg update and an pkg upgrade. When prompted, confirm with Y. This ensures you have the latest packages and security updates. Next, download the Kali Nethunter installer script by entering wget o install Nethunter Termux. This command fetches the official installer directly to your device. Now make the script executable with chmod y plex install Nethunter Termux. To start the installation, type .install Nethunter Termux and hit enter. The script will begin downloading the main Kali Nethunter image. This file is quite large, so the process may take several minutes depending on your internet speed. Be patient and let it finish. It's important not to close Termux or let your phone sleep during this process, as interrupting the download could cause errors. Once the installation is complete, you'll have a full-featured Kali Linux environment running inside Termux, ready for all your cybersecurity needs. No rooting, no warranty worries. Just pure cybersecurity power at your fingertips anytime and anywhere. You're now ready to explore a wide range of powerful tools, from network scanners to password crackers, all on your mobile device. Let's dive in and see what your phone can really do with Kali Nethunter installed. Welcome to your portable hacking lab. Your journey into mobile cybersecurity starts now. Congrats! Kali Nethunter is installed. So, what now? Launch Nethunter and Termux with the Nethunter command. You're running a full Kali Linux command line. You now have access to hundreds of cybersecurity tools, from network analysis to password testing. While the rootless version can't access deep hardware features, you still have a massive arsenal. Try Nmap for network scanning. See what devices are on your Wi-Fi and what ports are open. Metasploit is there for learning about exploits, and KeyX lets you run a full graphical desktop via a VNC viewer. Tools like John the Ripper, Hydra, and Burp Suite are at your fingertips. It's like having a second computer inside your phone. Explore, experiment, and learn. Your cybersecurity lab is open for business. The possibilities are endless. You've got the tools, now what? Start by scanning your own home Wi-Fi with Nmap. Discover what devices are connected and spot any surprises. Use commands like nmap sn 192.168.1.024, adjust for your network, to map your digital neighborhood. Try legal hacking platforms like Hack the Box or TryHackMe, safe spaces to practice real skills. Use tools like Whois and Dig to learn about websites or get to download and study web page code. Focus on learning and discovery, not causing trouble. Stick to your own networks or dedicated training platforms. Your first missions: explore, learn, and stay legal. This is the most important lesson. With great power comes great responsibility. These tools are used by professionals to protect, but misused, they can cause real harm and legal trouble. Always get explicit permission before testing any system you don't own. Scanning your neighbor's Wi-Fi or a random website is illegal, no matter your intentions. Know your local laws. Ignorance isn't a defense. Stick to your own hardware or official training platforms. Ethical hacking is about building a safer digital world, not exploiting it. Every time you use a tool, ask, do I have permission? Is this legal? Is this ethical? The ethical hacking community is built on trust and integrity. Use your new skills to help, not harm. Now that you have a hacker's toolkit, think like a security pro. Protect yourself. Avoid using your tools on public Wi-Fi. It's risky and could make you a target. Keep everything updated. Android, Termux, and Kali Nethunter. Run PKG update and an PKG upgrade in Termux, an apt update and apt full upgrade in Nethunter. Only use commands from trusted sources. Never blindly copy code from random forums. If you don't understand a command, research it first. Secure your phone physically. Use a strong lock screen and enable remote wipe. If your phone is lost, your toolkit shouldn't fall into the wrong hands. Treat your Nethunter phone with extra care. Protect your tools, and they'll help you learn safely. You've turned your phone into a portable hacking station. Congrats! This is just the beginning. Cybersecurity is a vast, ever-changing field. Stay curious and keep learning. Pick one tool, master it, then move to the next. Use official docs, YouTube tutorials, and practice on safe platforms like TryHackMe. Don't try to learn everything at once. Take it step by step. Join online communities like r/hacking on Reddit or Discord groups. Ask questions, share your progress, and always stay ethical. Never seek or share help for anything illegal. The skills you build now can lead to a fascinating hobby or a rewarding career. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and always act with integrity. Your journey started with installing Kali Nethunter. Now the digital world is yours to explore. Stay curious, stay ethical, and have fun.